Okay, dishwasher's finished. Now let's check it out and see what we have inside. Check the bottom rack here first. This is a plate that had all the ketchup stuck to it. And look at that. No ketchup. The plates that had all of the 2 or 3 day old stuck on gravy type sauce. And they appear to all be clean. And oh, this is the cup that had the dried on pea soup. That's all gone too. Wow, I'm impressed. These are the spoons that still has a little bit on it. Did pretty well though. Pea soup was dried on there for a few days. So anyway, so that worked out well. And the spatula had dried on tomato soup, and that's gone. The soup ladle that had dried on tomato soup. That's water coming out the handle. It's what you get for buying utensils at the dollar store. I forget what was in this bowl. Anyway, it's clean. And this was another, I think it was tomato soup in this cup. That's really old coffee stains before Lumera detergent. I'm really impressed. It took off all the sticky dried on stuff. And I did want to make a comment about the quality of the packaging. And you notice it's a Ziploc resealable bag here, but the zippers go right from one side to the other. And when you receive it, like a new bag, the zippers are actually closed. So if the contents of the bag gets shaken around during shipping and stuff, it doesn't interfere with closing the zipper. And one thing I really like, the packages all stand up on their own. And you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can order the product, try it, and if you don't like it, you can get a refund. $65 or more, you get free shipping on your order. If you click the link below, it'll take you to lumera.com, where you'll learn all about the products, the ingredients that are in each product. Talks about the money back guarantee, a bit about the company, how it was started, and it also, there's a coupon code down below. If you click, copy that actually, and use it at checkout, you'll get 10% off your order. So overall, I'm really happy with the detergent. I think I'm going to keep using it. And I think that you should check it out for yourself too, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of the products. And what do you think about that, Coco? Huh? What do you think of that? Isn't that cool? Coco, hey. Coco, come on. Hey. Look at me. Coco, hey. Good girl.